Next thing that we have to do is add all the NuGet packages inside the shopping cart API. So we will right click there, manage NuGet packages. These packages will be similar to what we added in the product API. First one, we will search for AutoMapper. With that, we will include the AutoMapper. We will install the AutoMapper package as well as the dependency injection package. Let me do that. Next, we need authentication for our bearer token. So if you search for JWT bearer token, we have ASP.NET Core.authentication.bearer, and we'll install the same version that we have for the other packages in the other project. Now that being said, all of our projects are self-isolated. Because of that, if you want to change version of packages in this project, that is completely fine, because you do not have any dependencies on the project. But within a project, all the packages must be of the same .NET version. Now for database, we need Entity Framework Core. So here we will install the SQL Server package that will automatically include the Entity Framework Core. Next, we will include the Entity Framework Core.design package. Since we'll be working with JSON, we will install the nudensoft.json package. And we'll be including some swashbuckle packages as well. We will install the ASP.NET Core.swagger UI. And we'll be installing the annotations package with ASP.NET Core. These are the same packages that we used with Product API, so you should be familiar with those. Once you complete all of that, let me close this and let's continue in the next video.